Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be studying about a particular filter condition in SQL. Filter condition in SQL is very important because whenever we have a table, we have enormous values in those table, but we don't need all those values at a particular time. So we need to fetch only selected values. So in that case, filter condition is very important. In our last video, we went through where clause where we saw that how can we fetch records based on a particular condition or situation or a particular value. But in that case, what happened, suppose if I'm using the where clause, so where age equals to 31, okay, 31, I'm fetching the values from, I'm using this query upon this table, this customers table, I'm using that this query. So age is a column in this table and I'm fetching the values from the customers table, where only those rows I'll be fetching where the value of age is 31. This much only we are going to do, okay. But in this case, when I'll execute this, it will give me 31. The age value, when the where the age is 31, that row will only be fetched. But in case, suppose I want all those columns, all those rows where the age value is 31, 22 and 25 at the same time, separately, if I'll execute them, I'll definitely get the value. But at the same time, in the single query, if I want to incorporate all these conditions, like when the age is 31, that row also you return me. If the age is 22, that row also you return me. If the age is 25, that row also I want to get returned from this query. So at the same time, if I want to execute them all together, then in that case, what I will do, because where clause will take only one value, age equals to 31, there is no other option here. We cannot give comma and then we can give 22. We cannot, this is wrong, this is wrong, we cannot do in this way. So in that case, we have a operator in SQL called in operator. So in operator, how that will be used? So in, I'm using, that is an operator, capital or small you can use. Now in, you will open a bracket. In this bracket, I will give multiple values of age column. So age column, see this column I'm taking, and that age in, so multiple values from the age column, okay. So multiple values from the age column will be taken, like 31 I want, 25 I want. So see, at the same time I'm taking two values, I can take three values also, and then I'll execute them, and now the output will be all those rows which has the age value as 31 or 25 or 28. Or here they are using or, internally they will be using or, they are not using and, they are using or. That's why all the three will be coming, all the three rows with the values 31, 25, 28 will be coming. So this was the in operator, okay. So when you are using in operator, you see age is 31, 25, 28, and all of them are coming at the same time, we are fetching the value. So this makes the code query very simple. Like if you want to fetch and see but all the rows with a multiple values, like see different values at the same time, we need not to write multiple queries, otherwise this will take three queries. We need to write three queries and then we are going to get the table, okay. But in this case, we are writing a single query, and within this single query only we are giving this, and then we are done with the things and we are getting the output. So this is the thing. Now one more thing is there, within this bracket you can write an we can write a subquery also, like select. See, I'm writing a subquery. So age in, this query should return an integer because age has this data type as integer. Like here you can see that from the customers, in the left hand side you can see that they have given us the schema. So you can see that age comes integer, okay. So this one you see age is integer, so that is the schema of the table. This is the schema of the table, okay. So you can see that the data type of the age column is integer. So the returning the this inner query, the whatever we are writing within this bracket, should return an integer to this age column, because its data type is a integer, okay. So I can even write a subquery within this bracket. So select uh, age from customers. Select age from customers. I'm selecting age from customers. I cannot select star, because if I'll select star, now all the columns will come, and then this age column which we are using after where will get confused that which column to take, and that will give you an error. So no need to take all the columns. Here we cannot take all the columns. We'll have to take only that column which is returning an integer value. So select age from customers where age equals to 31. Okay, so see, now this age will have the inner query age will have the value 31 because it is only returning that age where the age value is 31, and then this age will take the 31, and then from the this customers table all the rows will be returned. Okay, so see, it is giving out. Now let me execute this inner query and show you that what it is returning. Inner query, in the last video we saw that what it is returning, but let me show you once again. Yeah, see what inner query will return. See, inner query is returning 31. Now this 31 will be fed into, now this 31 will be fed into the outer query. This 31 will be fed into this age, now highlighted age, what I am highlighting, that age, and then based on that where condition this will be taken. Okay, so this was all about this video, and please do share, like, and subscribe this channel, because if you subscribe this channel, this will reach to almost to all needy persons, to all needy who wants to learn SQL, and through this small videos only we can learn the entire SQL. So thanks a lot for watching the channel. Thank you so much.